Welcome to my channel. Today we will visit Krishna Bazar Pushkarani. The Krishna Bazar Pushkarani, also known as the Kalyani or Krishna Temple tank, is a highly sophisticated 16th century sacred stepwell. Commissioned by Emperor Krishnadevaraya in 1513 CE, it served as the spiritual heart of the bazaar, hosting ritual purification baths and vibrant floating boat festivals, Tirthotsava, for the adjacent Krishna Temple. Like the surrounding marketplace, it was destroyed during the 1565 CE sack of Hampi and spent centuries buried under mud and banana plantations before being excavated by archaeologists. Purpose and royal conception, 1513 CE. Following his military triumph over the Gajapati rulers of Odisha, King Krishnadevaraya built the entire Krishna civic complex. The Pushkarani was constructed to satisfy two main functions. Ritual cleansing. Devotees and priests used the tiered steps to descend and wash themselves before ascending the broad stone staircase to pray at the elevated Krishna Temple. The annual float festival. During special religious events, the main temple deities were placed in decorated coracles, traditional round boats, and floated across the tank. When the Deccan Sultanates ransacked Hampi in 1565, they shattered the structures around the tank, broke the nearby spiritual idols, and cut off the water systems. Because the bazaar was built on low-lying terrain, centuries of monsoon flooding washed river silt and mud into the basin. Thanks for watching.